Okay, still expanding on rational expressions. In Lesson 23, we look at multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Okay, the first property I want to talk about, I don't think is in the text, but it is very, very handy, especially if you work with fractions. It goes like this. Okay, what is this actually saying? This is basically saying this rational expression divided by this rational expression, or if we had coefficients, we could say this fraction divided by this fraction. Property goes like this. Another way to look at it is you take your outside terms, multiply them, they go in the numerator, and your inside terms, multiply them, they go in the denominator. So let's just look at an example that has nothing but coefficients, no variables. And it's saying 2/3 divided by 3/4. If we apply this principle up here, and if we work this out, 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9, 8/9. It's also very important to point out that all of A, B, C, and D could all be polynomials. Okay, and this is the principle for division. See that we have a division sign here. Now let's look at multiplication. It's pretty straightforward. So a simplified version of this without any variables. Because 2 times 3 is 6, 4 times 7 is 28. Straightforward. And the last principle I want to point out before we start plugging in polynomials is this. So note that with the division sign here and this rational expression, it just flips around. This rational expression flips around from C over D to D over C, polynomials. Let's work out this problem. Okay, the first thing we notice is this can be factored out. The next thing we notice is with this divide sign, we could change it to multiplication and just switch these around. Notice that just got switched around because we switched from a divide sign to a multiplication sign. And hopefully you notice that these can cancel out. And multiplication is very simple. So this is equivalent to 1. We also have to clarify that x here cannot be a -1.